How many times it happens that you create the pose on COG like this and it's any kind of an object interaction shot. Later on you realize that you need to have it on root, and if you do it on root the hand poses change. Now what to do in that scenario? If you want the same poses which were there on COG, you need to put the same poses on your root. What you can do, the very first thing is create a locator. Create locator. Then you need to snap your locator onto the hand. Select the hand, locator, constraint, parent constraint box, maintain offset off, add. The locator has come on the hand. Now key the locator on all the keys wherever the hand keys are available. Now select both the things, key, 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 key. So make sure you do the blend parent 1 of the locator. Now delete the constraint of your locator. Now you will have all your positions of your hand onto the locator. So now you can change your hand on all the keys onto root. Go here. Now you have the deformed position of your hand in the root. Now you need to snap your hand on the locator. So now the locator will become the parent and the hand will become the child. Constraint, parent box constraint, maintain offset off, add. And then key it on all the positions. And now you can delete the constraint of the hand. We are done. We have copied the same pose onto the root now. Can you see this? Same hand pose by following this process without using any external tool. If you like the video, follow me for more such videos.